has lost his mind. He's not normal.
Why you so obsessed with me?
Yo, you pull out a gun? Man, you should have seen this guy. Eyes, this guy's crazy, man.
Where do you meet these losers?
It's clear that you're upset with me.
You really need to get a restraining order on him.
It's over between us.
Don't be like that.
Are you really crazy? I can't believe I fell in love with this guy.
Please don't say that. I think I'm gonna be sick.
But when a man is wrong,
I'm trying to save my family.
Oh, please, you have a funny way of doing it. Normal people don't behave this way, Jimmy. There's something wrong with you, Jimmy. You're crazy and you need help.
I am a single mother. I can't keep up with you in the clubbing.
You're also a single lady, and us single ladies need to enjoy ourselves.
Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time?
You know, the funny thing is I don't remember you looking that delicious. I could just bite you all chocolate.
James asked me to go to the kids with him. What is this guy like?
He's looking so fine, too. So fine with her booty, breasts, and all of that, man.
'Cause I don't even wanna fight.
I know you from somewhere. How do you know my name?
He is a low-life, conniving, nasty-ass son of a...
Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for.
There's a lot of us out there looking for love
I will do whatever it takes
when it's really right there in front of us.
to have you and Danny back.
A girl's gotta live her life, right?
We need to be a family again.
That only made me want you more.
See, we're too busy out there up in the club.
Yeah, we're gonna have a good time tonight.
What kind of party is this?
See, church, love, true love, God's love.
I still love you.
She needs her mother and she needs her father.
You ain't sending her to work without.
Not gonna be found in those dangerous places.
It's too late now. Why do you hate him so much?
God's love comes from within.
Live the dream.